Hello everyone, this is Vishwa Pradeep Hagalwadi. How to control a baby rollover in sleep? This is a normal phenomena and this need not be controlled, and we need to enable the child to be safe during the rollover. So it's better you put the baby between you parents and then make space for it to roll over, or else you can put the baby towards the wall and then give some area in the bed to roll over. And please avoid the cushion sort of pillow where the baby might get suffocated, and also even the have a long bedspreads, and so that it is tucked on other side of the bed, so that the child will not get rollover with the bed sheet and get suffocated. And also put some sort of cushion near the surrounding the bed floor area, so that even accidentally the child falls, it will not get hurt. Thank you so much.